Today we're exploring Sailboat Bend, one of the most historic neighborhoods here in Fort Lauderdale. Tucked just west of downtown and hugging the banks of the New River, Sailboat Bend gives you quick access to Las Olas, the Brightline station, and I-95, while still feeling tucked away from the noise. I feel like I say every neighborhood has character, but this one definitely has character. Tree-lined streets and that old school Florida feel. And if you're looking for a residential pocket of Fort Lauderdale that kind of blends that walkability, nice architecture, history, and lifestyle, this video is for you. So what makes Sailboat Bend so unique compared to all of the other great neighborhoods in Fort Lauderdale? Well, it's one of the oldest neighborhoods in the city, so you'll find beautiful 1920s mission-style homes, classic Florida bungalows, and fully renovated properties with tons of character. You've also got a ton of local art influence. Sailboat Bend is home to the Broward Center for the Performing Arts, Revolution Live, which is a concert venue, and the Historic Society of Fort Lauderdale. Not to mention the ArtSpace Lofts, which actually provide live and work studios for local artists. Pretty neat. If you're looking for a place with a creative vibe and a little bit of edge, but still safe, quiet, and super convenient, Sailboat Bend is one of your best bets. First up, let's look at the lifestyle and community here. You're steps from the Riverwalk in downtown Fort Lauderdale, but you still have quiet streets, friendly neighbors, and that walkable environment with a slower pace. And right at the edge of Sailboat Bend, you've got Esplanade Park, a beautiful green space along the New River that hosts festivals, food truck nights, and community events all year long. It's also the starting point of the Riverwalk, which winds along the water and connects you to some of Fort Lauderdale's best shopping and dining spots. There's a good mix of longtime residents, young professionals, and creatives who love being close to the action while still having a front porch and some space to breathe. It's one of those neighborhoods where you'll actually see your neighbors, wave as you walk by with your dog, and feel like you're part of a real community. All right, now let's quickly get into the real estate side of things. The median sales price here in Sailboat Bend is roughly $550,000, with prices fluctuating depending on size, the level of renovation, and proximity to the river. You'll find everything from historic single-family homes between $300,000 and $400,000 to updated properties well into the millions. At the time of making this video, there have been 6 properties that have sold in Sailboat Bend in the last 6 months, and the lowest priced home was $415,000 and the highest was $3.95 million. So there's a good spread in between depending on size, updates, and the location within the neighborhood, like I said just before. So you've got the charm, the walkability, the quiet residential vibe close to downtown. Sounds pretty good to me. If you want to see the properties currently available right here in Sailboat Bend, shoot me a quick text with the contact information in the description and I'll send a list right over. See you in the next one.